Welcome back to Green Leaves. I am very excited to share the recipe of the best egg pizza you will ever have. First, put 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil and heat it over medium-high flame. When the oil is hot, add minced onion and fry it till translucent. Once it's done, put all the vegetables to the pan and fry on low-medium flame for a minute. You can find the vegetables used and their amount in the description below. Now bring together your vegetables in a form of a square, a bit smaller than your bread slice. If the size is bigger, it will be difficult to fold the egg layer over the bread. Pour the beaten egg mixture over the vegetables. Make sure you cover all the 4 sides first so that they don't fall apart when flipped. After 10 or 15 seconds, pour the whole mixture to the pan. Add a pinch of salt to taste. I had already added half teaspoon of salt while beating the egg mixture. Once cooked, you can add some dried herbs to add more flavor. Add 1 slice of cheese. You can add more to make it extra cheesy. Put the bread slice over the cheese and gently flip the omelette on all the 4 sides. Firmly press on the corners to keep your omelette from splitting. Now the most challenging part, the flip. Make sure you use a white spatula to cover the vegetable side. And here it is, the delicious egg pizza. You can add some oregano and chili flakes to make it more spicy. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section how it was. If you liked the video, do share and subscribe for more recipes and to support our channel. Thank you.